We'll guide you through how to select 10,000 cells in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because selecting thousands of rows manually in Excel takes too much time and effort. Begin by dragging your mouse to the Excel application on your computer screen. When you find the application, tap on it twice to open it, and wait for the program to load completely. Once the application is open, locate the name box at the top of the worksheet window. Move your mouse carefully toward the name box and click on it so you can enter a cell range. After that, type the column letters that you want to select. Then continue by typing 10,000 directly behind the column letters to create the full range reference. Next, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then press the Enter key. This action will quickly highlight the selected column range up to row 10,000. For the second method, press the F5 key on your keyboard to open the Go To panel in Excel. Once the panel opens, go to the reference bar inside the window and tap on it with your mouse. Then type the column letters that you want to select in the worksheet. Continue by typing 10,000 directly behind the column letters so the reference includes all rows up to that number. Finally, hold the Shift key and press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately select the specified range, allowing you to work with a large section of data more quickly and efficiently without manually dragging through thousands of rows in the worksheet. Both methods are useful when you need to select a very large range of cells in a short amount of time. Instead of scrolling down manually, these techniques allow Excel to jump directly to the final row that you entered in the reference area. Make sure you type the correct column letters before adding 10,000, because the selection will follow exactly what you enter into the box or reference panel. If the wrong column is entered, simply repeat the process and type the correct reference. Using the Shift and Enter keys together helps Excel expand the selection automatically, which can save effort and improve accuracy while organizing or editing large spreadsheets during everyday spreadsheet management tasks.